Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any websites on your browser in NOKIA XR21. And to do this, first let's open a browser, and right here, just to show you, we're going to try to open any website. Here's Google, and also we can try to go for YouTube. Still doesn't work. Now to fix this, we'll need to open our settings, scroll all the way down and enter system. Here there's a date and time settings, and we want to activate set time automatically. Now if we go back to our browser and try to refresh the same page, now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.